Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and the clock is ticking. Yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum will both break out soon. Let me show you guys what is going on here. As you can see on the hourly time frame, we are trading within this red triangle. Yeah, and guys, if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let me show you guys. We had a couple of touch points here already. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points at the upper line, and at the lower line also a couple of touch points, as you can see here. Yeah, and the more often a resistance or a support gets tested, the more likely it is to break. And as you can see here, we already had a couple of touch points, so the breakout is basically looming. And as I've mentioned in yesterday's video, once we are down here, you could enter a long position. So if you took this trade, you should be in you are in a nice profit right now. If not, then you should wait what the market will tell us. Let's see, because we could still continue a little bit to trade within this range here until we see a breakout to the upside or downside. But we react. We don't blindly jump into trades. So basically, if we break above this resistance at $30,800 plus the red resistance line here, then this would be very bullish. But we should have, let's say, at least a 4-hourly close, then we can enter a long position. Yeah, and if you're already in a long position, first of all, you could take some profits right now because we are at resistance level now. And if not, if you have a breakout, you can scale up your position. Okay, same goes if you go down here. Let's see if, for example, if you're down here and the RSI is in the oversold territory, then we could enter a long position again. But let's just see what the market tells us, and then we react, guys. Okay, so let me show you what's going on with Ethereum. Basically, we are trading here with Ethereum. Let me show you guys in this descending broadening wedge. Yeah, and based on technical analysis, it is more likely to break out to the upside. Yeah, and the target would be around here at about $1,930. So same as with Bitcoin, I mentioned yesterday in the video. Once we reach this level here, we have the blue support line plus the red support line. This is actually a perfect long trade. Congrats if you enter this long trade. As of right now, you can see we have here one touch point, almost 2, 3, 4 touch points, and here also 3 touch points. And same as with Bitcoin, the more often a resistance or support gets tested, the more likely it is to break. Okay, so soon we will see a breakout here, and it's more likely to break out to the upside. So if you enter this long trade, you could take some profits now, or you just stay in it and wait what the market tells us. Because once we break this line, you could, and if we have a 4-hourly close outside of this, you could enter a long position, or if you don't have a long position right now, or you can scale up your trade. And then if you also break this resistance here, then you can again scale up your trades, guys. That's what's going on here right now. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.